In this video, I'm going to show how to replace the oil pressure switch on this Lexus IS250. This is located on your oil filter housing. We'll access it from up top in the engine compartment. Let's get started. Reach in from the front of the engine and you'll see the oil pressure switch right here on your oil filter housing. First thing to do is to unplug it. There's a locking tab on the front side of it. Press it and remove the connector. Now, with this set aside, use a 24mm socket and unthread the oil pressure switch. You'll need a deep socket for this, as the connector will protrude through quite a bit. Unthread it. Once you have it broken free, you should easily be able to remove it by hand. There it is. Any debris that is here, carefully pull it away from the threads where this mounts. Take the new oil pressure switch, thread it in. I'll thread this in all the way. Put that same 24mm socket on and thread it in until it gets snug. That's fairly snug right there. Give it a little extra and stop. You don't necessarily need to bottom it out completely as long as you feel that it has snugged up. Then reconnect it and job is done.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.